Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, January the 24th of 2025. If you want to know what passion and conviction sounds like, you just got to listen to this video. It's one of Darko's pre-market analysis videos from last week, and it could absolutely change your trading life. That's a bold statement, I know, but when you hear what he has to say, you'll see what I mean. I hope you'll take a moment to hit the like button. We'd really appreciate that. And it'll help us extend our reach on YouTube, so I'll thank you in advance. And in the comments, let us know what it is that's holding you back from becoming a Forex trader. Alrighty? Okay, here is Darko.
So now I have this structure line, okay? Why I did that? Because we did a lower low. So now I want to wait for price to do something like this. Once we have structure damage, I prefer to see a higher high, higher close. It all depends how we wicks that level, but as a bullish swing break could do it. Okay? When that happens, then price is telling me that the institutional orders, the market makers, okay, did take out this structure. Then that means bullish momentum is hitting the market. Bullish momentum could be hitting the market all over the place. That's not important. It's important when it happens around key level of support and resistance. The trading circle, this is not a circle by the way, the trading circle, okay, you put everything in context and the market is telling you, the language of the market is telling you that the bulls have won the war on the bears, okay? So now the bulls are in control. And you want to see that at key levels of support or resistance by giving you structure damage. The reason why I'm explaining this in so great detail, one of the biggest problems, like one of the absolute biggest problem that you deal with as a struggling trader is that you don't understand what you are trading. You don't understand why a swing break rotation is important at that level. And what does a swing break rotation means? Okay, because once you understand something, then you will feel more comfortable, more confident taking that trade because you understand it. When you don't understand something, you're just doing it because someone else tells you to do it, but you don't know why you are doing it. Okay, that is super important. So when I was a struggling trader, I marked my structure because I don't want to miss those. I wanted to, because if you are trading like 28 pairs or whatever amount of pair that you are trading, once you have that, because when this gets breached, you understand that now I'm done, let's go. Now it's time to go to business. Okay? And obviously this will definitely look more swing, we see the swings more clearly on the hourly chart. I'm not moving down to the hourly chart, I'm just doing it so you can see the swings a bit more understandable. Okay, and you ignore the micro swings. You start with the highest point to the lowest point, the highest point to the lowest point. All these are one swing. Okay, one swing only. And once price breach this level by close or wicks it, then you have yourself a juicy trading opportunity. And if this gives you a full loss, a TP1 TP2 win or a break-even trade, do not put any opinion about one trade. If you follow these instructions, doing putting everything in context the same way I did this, unless you see this, you do not trade. Okay, and that's why it's so important to do one thing. I don't care if it's ACAT, swing break rotation, or set and forget. If I had to choose, if I turn back the time and just did one thing my entire struggling time, I would skip ACATs, I would skip set and forgets, I would skip everything, but only trade market structure damage, swing break rotation that is, and disregard everything else until I become a very high level of stage 4, and then why change? Just continue. Just trade swing break rotation on your entry time frame. If you don't see it, you don't trade it. Ignore everything else. Identify your higher time frame for the bigger picture, check. Then you have 2 time frames where you dictate, support and resistance and trend and all the good stuff. Check. Then you have an entry time frame. That's it. On your entry time frame, you wait for swing break activation. If you see it, you take it. If you don't see it, you don't take it. You just stay aside. Do this and prove me wrong. Okay? I promise you, there are not that many guarantees. I don't hype anything. Trading is all about mindset, your trading psychology, your trading mental capital, but understanding the pure basic concept of price. This is where the magic happens. I guarantee you, if you start doing this, and this is January 2025, okay? Do exactly what I just told you on Pound Aussie, and type in the chat room mid-summer, like June, July. If you are not a stage 4 trader, well, I just don't know what to say. Like, what did you do wrong, or which part was not understandable? I will be more than happy to explain for you.
So I hope you can feel Darko's deep passion, his confidence, his conviction when he's talking. And you heard him say, prove me wrong. I mean, this is the kind of mentor that you need to help you in your development. And I'd ask you again, what is it that's holding you back? For over 7 years now, Darko's been providing training for our Forex community, and he has been consistently profitable year after year, every single year. So, yeah, I mean, this is the kind of person who could really help you, as he's done for so many other people. Okay? And listen, if you want more information, contact me personally, and I'd be more than happy to help you out in any way that I can. Thanks so much. Hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.